Okay, so here's one of the two computers that I got from eBay. This is... Holy crap, it's heavy! Oh god. This is a Dell OptiPlex. I think it's 780, I think? Yeah, it's 780. This one has a horrible processor and I won it from an eBay auction. So, the packing job on this is pretty nice. Wow. Dude, this thing is smaller than I thought it would be. It is a USFF, and it's extremely small. Wow. DVD drive, Ethernet, 4 bunch of USBs, serial, VGA, display port, which is interesting, eSATA, line in and out, and power. Take it out by doing that screw. Let's see what's inside it. Should be what I'm expecting. Let's see, where do you pull? Oh, you just slide. Nice. Okay, yeah. Much what I expected it to be. We're gonna be messing around with this in a future video, but yeah, there's the tiny OptiPlex I got. And this was actually the first OptiPlex with this design. Because the other 780s were looking like, this, the 755, and this one was the odd one out, so that's pretty cool. Okay guys, so here it is, all set up. It is extremely tiny. I mean, compared to all my other computers, that big thing, if you can barely see it, this is where the other OptiPlex was, the 755. The little tiny dude is tiny. And it runs Windows 10 Pro just fine. I may be using this, I don't know what I'm gonna use this for anyways. I'll show you the specs here and show you that crappy processor as well. Windows 10 Pro 2019, don't know the build number yet. Can figure that out. Pentium dual core E5700 at 3 gigahertz. It's horrible, but at the same time, you can still do stuff with this. It isn't like a Celeron, which you can do absolutely nothing with. 4 gigs of RAM, and it is connected to my domain. Tiny dude. It has a 250 gigabyte hard drive, which I won't really be using it as much. Oh yeah, it even has like a little laptop CD drive for the CD drive. Here it is. We went over this when we unboxed it just a while ago. So, ports, headphone jack, microphone jack, 2 USBs on the front, Windows 7 sticker and Intel Pentium sticker on the side. Nothing much, I need to just clean it. On the other side, also nothing much. On the back is where this fun stuff begins. Has Ethernet, 5 USB ports, serial, VGA, display port, which I'm never going to use, eSATA, which I may use because that's interesting, since none of my computers I've ever had, except one of those TiVo units over there, have eSATA like that. So that's going to be interesting to mess with. A line-in jack and a line-out jack, and a 120 volt internal power supply. And of course, this video won't be complete. Of course, this computer won't be complete without the internals. Tiny little shield. Okay, here's our handle and our stuff in there. The CD drive on the top. If you look under there, sorta, that's where the hard drive is, that little thing. Here is the 4 gigabytes of RAM, the processor, and the power supply. Here's a fan, and right here, a chassis intrusion switch, which means if the computer is on, and you open the chassis door with this and stuff, it pops out that, and it alerts the BIOS. But yeah, my 755 over there has that too, so it's nice to see that as a return. The stuff is also like really easy to upgradeable, like it's a no-tool design. All you have to do is take off the front plate, and then here is, you just lift this out. And that's where all the DVD drive and CD drive. Then you get access to the rest of the whole motherboard. It's very easy. Yeah. that's how easy it is to upgrade one of these. No tools required at all. Then you just slide this thing on. You gotta get under this little latch here. Make sure everything is flat, this is the problem. And then just screw. And yeah, that's all you have to do. So yeah, this computer wasn't that bad, and I won it at this is the one I won at an eBay auction. And you could use one of these just fine for like daily tasks and really like light production stuff. Though the processor, which is a Pentium, makes it horrible. But it runs Windows 10 just fine, and I'm not really going to be doing as much on here. Same goes with all the other stuff, and stuff. But yeah, that is my OptiPlex 780. Okay, so here is the 780 currently as of present day. It is the server, the old server, which was the HP Pavilion. That thing, the power supply was actually dying, so I just basically made it a random computer to use, and this little guy is pretty compact, and I love it because it doesn't take up that much space along with all the other stuff. So yeah, basic stuff. I basically just clone the hard drive from the Pavilion onto the 250 gig drive in here. And yeah, it's been like this for months now, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, nothing's really changed. There's the drive bay of my server. There is the Belkin router. I'm gonna make a video on that sometime soon, I guess. There's our switch and computers. And there's the Pi, because Windows sucks. That hosts the web server and some other servers. This obviously still runs the file and a lot of other servers, including like Active Directory and stuff, as I showed in the other part where I connected this thing to the domain with my old server. But yeah, that has been the server. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'm made up in like a day or so because yay. And I will see you guys in another video coming up pretty soon. Peace out.